Hola clase, soy señorita García. Vamos a aprender los verbos AR. Los verbos AR como escuchar, hablar, cantar, bailar. Usar, to use. So, an infinitive is the basic form of a verb. For example, when the verbs end in AR, such as hablar, cantar, in English, it would mean to sing, to talk. So, to make it usable in Spanish, we are not going to say I to use. We have to say yo uso. So, there are two steps to make the verb usable. The first one is to drop off the AR, and then you add the endings. So these are the endings that we have for los verbos AR. Yo, o, tú, has, usted, él y ella, ha, nosotros, hamos, vosotros, hayas, con tilde, ustedes, ellos, ellas, han. So, if we're going to make the verb usar usable, we are going to drop off the AR and we have us. And then we add the endings to us to make it usable. So, yo uso, tú, sí, usas. Usted, él, ella, usa. Because we know that usted, él, and ella are all just the same as tú, but without the S. And then nosotros usamos, vosotros usáis. And then we know that ustedes, ellos, and ellas are just like usted, él, ella, and él, ella, except that we put an N there. Ustedes, ellos, ellas, usan. Very easy, right? But wait, there's more. We have the negatives. How do we make it negative? So instead of saying I use, yo uso, I want to say I don't use. So what do? We find the verb and we put a no in front of it. So, yo hablo español. What would be the negative? Yo no hablo español. Muy bien, clase. Now we're going to practice. Adiós.